Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this really cute magical set, magic set on Dress to Impress. So you'll need to go to this section, and then you're just going to select the third one. Go to Myra the Magical Girl, or is it Mira? I think it's Myra. Select View, and you're just going to select the items that you don't have. If you have purchased the Magical Girl set before, you can find it in the dressing room, but if you haven't bought everything, you can buy it first, and it's just going to be in the changing rooms. So I got all of them except for the hair and the bow, I think, and then the rest I already got in my inventory. And you have this really cute set, which I really love, and there's a lot of toggles to it. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!